Alright, before we go, we may just see another NU men's volleyball standout play overseas soon. NU Bulldogs head coach Dante Alinsunurin hinted at what's next for Leo Aringo after the team won a historic 5-peat in UAAP men's volleyball over the weekend. The Bulldogs completed their finals comeback against the FEU Tamaraws with a sweep of Game 3, 25-16, 28-26, 25-23. An all-time men's volleyball gate attendance of 14,517 fans witnessed the historic victory at the Mall of Asia Arena. NU is the first team in the Final Four era to achieve a 5-peat and just the second team overall in men's volleyball to rule 5 straight seasons after FEU reigned from 1946 to 1958. Aringo, who delivered the championship-clinching tip, emerged as the finals MVP. In Game 3, he tallied 9 points, 10 excellent receptions, and 4 digs. After the celebrations, Aringo spoke about what it means to win in his senior year. Coach Dante also spoke about the future of the NU star.
Sobrang fulfilling kasi ever since na nag-NU ako, saksi ako sa paghihirap ng NU. Paano nila i-grind yung sarili nila para makuha yung every championship na nakakuha ni Coach Dante. Sobrang sarap sa feeling na hindi namin nasayangan yung ganong pagkakataon na lalo na tong 5-peat champion, hindi namin nasayangan, nakuha din namin yung isa sa mga pangarap ng mga coaches and lalo na kami players kasi ito pa yung hindi nakukuha sa UAAP, yung 5-peat sa men's volleyball team, and sobrang grateful ako kasi yun lang.
Actually, si Leo, hindi pa naman siya talaga graduating sa laro. Meron pa siya. Pero meron lang siyang option na meron kaming nakita na mas magumuti sa kanya. Kaya sabi ko nga, ito naman yung gusto namin mangyari talaga sa bawat player. Na mapunta sa mga international. Kaya doon siya papunta. Kaya sabi ko nga sa kanya, mas okay na doon kasi alam ko na magkakaroon siya.